Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. So today we're going to be looking at the publish subscribe model and how we can be able to use it within Redis. So the publish subscribe model allows us to be able to asynchronously send messages between various clients. And the way it achieves this is by classifying those clients into publishers and subscribers. Now, to put it simply, we can be able to say that our publishers are those clients that send messages. Now, they do those activities through channels or through topics, but in this case, we're going to call them channels. And whatever client is able to receive that message is what we call a subscriber. Now, this is a very simple diagram to basically show how this may work in reality. So, a client will publish a message to other clients that are subscribed to a particular channel. In this case, we have channel 1 and we have subscriber 1 and subscriber 2 only being subscribed to channel 1. So when you send a message to channel 1, what happens is only those two subscribers, subscriber 1 and subscriber 2, will be able to get that particular message. Now for the second case, since subscriber 2 is subscribed to channel 1 and channel 2, they'll be in position to receive the message that is sent by client 1, which is our first publisher, and client 2, which is our second publisher. Now, to demonstrate this, I'm going to jump into our terminal. So to do that, I'm going to be going to my Terminator. So I have this tool called Terminator, which I'm going to be using as my terminal emulator. Reason being, it helps me to split my terminal into various terminal instances, which is a very cool feature. So to get started, I'm going to start by opening up our Redis CLI. Now this is going to be a client. When you open up this Redis CLI, the way we can be able to subscribe to a channel is by using the subscribe command. So to do that, I'll just come and say subscribe, and then I'll provide a channel name. So in this case, let us call this channel messages. So when you call this channel messages, I'm going to go ahead and basically press enter. And what will happen here is we are going to be reading all messages that will be sent to this particular channel. Now, this client in this case is what we're actually going to refer to as our subscriber, and it is currently subscribing to the channel called messages. This means that every message that we shall send to or publish to our messages channel will be received by that particular subscriber. So what happens is every time we subscribe to a channel, that specific client or terminal will be able to read messages sent to that particular channel. So let us go ahead and try to basically publish a message to this channel. So I'm going to use Ctrl+Shift+E. I'll leave a link down in the description to this terminal so that you can check it out. But the first thing I'll do is to first enter our Redis CLI so that we create another client. Now, let us go ahead and publish our first message. So to publish a message, we use the publish command. And when you have the publish command, then you can go ahead and provide our channel name. In this case, it's going to be messages. Then you provide a message that you actually want to send or publish to a certain channel. Now in this case, let's just say hello world. This will go ahead and basically send this message to the client that is subscribed to the channel messages, just like you see here. I hope you can get an understanding of how this works. We have a channel and we have a client that subscribed to that channel. When you have a client subscribing to the channel, they can be able to read all messages that are published to that specific channel. That's how it works. So let's go ahead and try to also implement another client that will be subscribed to the same channel. Now I'm going to go on the left side of my terminal. I'm going to create a new terminal instance right here, and I'll open up Redis CLI. When I do this, I'll enlarge this a little bit so that you can see. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and listen to whatever messages that will be published on the messages channel. So I'll do that by using subscribe, and then we shall provide our messages channel But let's make this interesting by subscribing to another channel. So let's go ahead and just do notifications. So when you do that, I'm going to press enter. What is going to happen is this client is going to basically listen to the messages that will be sent on the messages channel as well as the notifications channel. So if we go ahead and publish another message right here, so let's publish this to our messages channel. What happens is this message will be received by both of these clients because both of these clients are actually subscribed to the channel of messages. So let me go ahead and also create one message that will be sent to all those clients that will be subscribed to the notifications channel. Now let me begin by creating another client here. I'm going to press Ctrl+Shift+O to create this terminal here. I'll enter our Redis CLI, and then I'll begin by basically subscribing to the notifications channel. So I'm just going to come and say subscribe to notifications, and when I press enter, this is going to be listening to only the notifications channel. Now that can be a simple demonstration of what we have here. We can call this client 1, client 2. We can actually call this client 1, client 2, and this is going to be our only publisher. But when we publish a message, it will be actually got by whatever channel will be subscribed to, by whatever client that will be subscribed to the specific channel. Now let us go ahead and try to send or publish a message to the notifications channel. So to do that, I'll say publish and then provide notifications, which is going to be our channel. So I'll provide a message and say a simple notification, your battery is low. When you press enter, we're going to see that this message will be received by our first client, which is the one that subscribed to both channels, and the second client that's only subscribed to the notifications channel. Now in this video, I hope you've got to learn the basics of the publish subscribe model as provided by Redis. You may be able to ask what are some of the applications of this. Now the publish subscribe model is something that can be used if you want to implement a message queue, if you want to implement distributed notifications. You have a lot of clients who want to send notifications to, distributed caching, distributed logging, and so many other use cases. I'm going to leave a link down in the description that will help you to get to understand how this works, and I hope you've learned a thing or two in this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.